For many, the Sahara conjures images of an endless, desolate expanse. A vast, unforgiving ocean of sand, stretching to the horizon under a relentless sun. This perception, while not entirely inaccurate for its current state, masks a profound truth. The Sahara is far more than a barren wasteland. It is a living archive, a colossal repository of forgotten histories and untold stories. Beneath its shifting dunes lie secrets that challenge our very understanding of ancient life and human ingenuity. This desert, seemingly so empty, once pulsed with vibrant life. It holds the echoes of civilizations, the whispers of ancient rivers, and the footprints of creatures long vanished. We are about to embark on a journey to uncover its hidden past, a past far richer and more complex than most can imagine. Approximately 10,000 years ago, a dramatic transformation swept across North Africa. The Sahara, as we know it today, simply did not exist. Instead, a verdant landscape unfolded, a lush, green savanna teeming with life. This was the African humid period, a time when monsoon rains extended far north, nourishing a vast ecosystem. Rivers flowed where sand now dominates, and lakes dotted the landscape, supporting an incredible diversity of flora and fauna. It was a period of profound ecological abundance. The most compelling evidence of this forgotten era comes from the very rocks of the desert itself. Across the Sahara, countless rock art sites preserve vivid depictions of this ancient world. These intricate carvings and paintings offer a window into a time of plenty. They show scenes of thriving communities, not struggling for survival, but living in harmony with their environment. We see detailed portrayals of cattle herding, suggesting sophisticated pastoral societies. The art also depicts abundant wildlife, including elephants, giraffes, hippos, and crocodiles, creatures that could only exist in a well-watered land. This ancient Sahara was a true, forgotten Eden, a paradise lost to the relentless march of climate change. Its memory is etched into the stone, a testament to a world that once was, a world few today can even conceive. The sheer scale of this transformation is a powerful reminder of nature's profound shifts. Deep within the heart of this transformed landscape, against all odds, remarkable civilizations emerged. Among the most intriguing was the Garamantian kingdom, a powerful and sophisticated society that flourished in what is now southwestern Libya. Their story defies the conventional narrative of desert life. The Garamantes mastered an ingenious technology that allowed them to conquer the arid environment. They developed the foggara, an intricate system of underground irrigation channels. These subterranean aqueducts tapped into ancient fossil water reserves, bringing life-sustaining water to the surface. This mastery of water management enabled the Garamantes to thrive in an otherwise inhospitable region for over 1,000 years. Their cities, built of stone and mud brick, rose from the desert floor, sustained by this hidden network of life. It was a testament to their advanced engineering capabilities. The Garamantes were not isolated. They established extensive trade networks that stretched across vast distances. Their caravans connected them with the Roman Empire to the north, the powerful kingdoms of ancient Egypt to the east, and the burgeoning empires of West Africa to the south. They traded in gold, salt, slaves, and exotic goods, becoming a crucial intermediary in trans-Saharan commerce. This sophisticated civilization, with its urban centers, agricultural prowess, and extensive trade, represented a pinnacle of ancient desert adaptation. Yet, like so many great empires, it eventually faded, its legacy buried beneath the sands, a testament to the desert's power to reclaim. The Sahara's destiny was irrevocably altered around 300 CE with the widespread introduction of the camel. This remarkable animal, perfectly adapted to the harsh desert conditions, revolutionized travel and trade. Its ability to endure long journeys without water transformed the impossible into the possible. With the camel, the Sahara ceased to be an impenetrable barrier. It became, instead, a vital artery, a superhighway of commerce and cultural exchange. The vast distances that once isolated communities were now bridged by the rhythmic tread of camel caravans. These caravans facilitated an unprecedented exchange of goods, ideas, and beliefs. Gold from West Africa flowed north, while salt, textiles, and manufactured goods traveled south. More profoundly, the camel routes became conduits for the spread of Islam, transforming the religious and social fabric of the continent. the Sahara's trade routes connected North Africa with the sub-Saharan regions, forging economic and cultural ties that endured for centuries. These were not merely paths for goods, they were pathways for knowledge, art, and human connection. The desert, once a divider, became a unifier. Crucial to the success and survival of these desert highways were the indigenous nomadic peoples. The Tuareg and Berber nomads, with their unparalleled knowledge of the desert, served as indispensable guides. Their expertise in navigation, water sources, and survival was unmatched. These desert guardians were not just guides, they were the custodians of ancient traditions and the facilitators of cultural exchange. They preserved oral histories, maintained intricate social structures, and ensured the safe passage of countless travelers and their precious cargo. Their deep connection to the land allowed them to master its challenges. Their legacy is woven into the very fabric of the Sahara, a testament to human resilience and adaptation. They are living links to a past where the desert was not an obstacle, but a way of life, a vast and complex world understood only by those who truly belong to it. Today, the Sahara continues to yield its secrets, aided by the marvels of modern technology. Satellite imaging, enhanced by artificial intelligence, is revolutionizing our understanding of this ancient landscape. What was once hidden beneath layers of sand is now being revealed with astonishing clarity. These advanced techniques are uncovering the faint outlines of ancient settlements, the subtle traces of buried walls, and the ghostly imprints of forgotten cities. From Mauritania to Chad and Niger, new discoveries are constantly reshaping the archaeological map of the Sahara. Each new find adds another piece to the puzzle of its past. These discoveries are not just academic curiosities, they are profound insights into human history. They reveal the scale of ancient populations, the complexity of their urban planning, and the extent of their networks. The desert is slowly giving up its long-held secrets, one satellite image at a time. Beyond its human history, the Sahara also boasts geological wonders that defy easy explanation. One such marvel is the Rikhat structure, often referred to as the Eye of the Sahara. This enormous, circular geological formation, visible from space, is a breathtaking spectacle. Its concentric rings, spanning nearly 50 kilometers in diameter, have sparked endless speculation. For years, it was thought to be an impact crater, but scientific consensus now points to a deeply eroded dome. Yet, its perfect circularity and immense scale continue to intrigue. The Rikhat structure draws explorers, scientists, and curious minds from across the globe. It stands as a testament to the Earth's dynamic processes, a natural masterpiece sculpted by millennia of geological forces. Its mystery remains, inviting further study and contemplation. The Sahara, in its current form, faces profound challenges, particularly from the intensifying effects of climate change. The delicate balance of its ecosystems is under increasing strain. The desert, once a green savanna, is now experiencing a new phase of environmental transformation. One of the most visible impacts is the intensification of dust storms. These colossal atmospheric events, carrying vast quantities of sand and particulate matter, have far-reaching consequences. They affect agriculture, human health, and water supplies across continents. These storms are a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of global climate systems. The Sahara's present condition is a powerful indicator of broader environmental shifts, impacting not just the region but the entire planet. Its future is inextricably linked to global climate action. Despite these challenges, the Sahara remains an unparalleled, living library. Its sands preserve not only the remnants of ancient civilizations but also a unique record of climatic shifts, geological processes, and biological evolution. Every dune, every rock, holds a story. Understanding the Sahara's rich history and its current environmental challenges is more than an academic exercise. It is crucial for appreciating the resilience of life, the adaptability of human societies, and the profound impact of climate on our world. The desert offers invaluable lessons. We must continue to explore its depths, both literally and figuratively. The Sahara still holds countless secrets, waiting to be unearthed by future generations of archaeologists, geologists, and climate scientists. Its mysteries beckon, promising further revelations. The journey through the Sahara is far from over. It is an ongoing quest for knowledge, a continuous discovery of the past that informs our present and shapes our future. The desert, in its vastness, reminds us of the endless wonders that lie hidden, waiting to be found. The Sahara is not an empty wasteland. It is a living library, one we are only beginning to read. From rock art and buried cities to trade empires and climate clues, the secrets of the Sahara matter more than ever. If this journey surprised you, give it a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more stories from the edge of history. This is the Turkish Odyssey, and our journey has just begun. Please subscribe our channel The Turkish Odyssey. It is free and really means the world for us. Thank you for watching. See you in the next adventure.